Hi, in this video we would see how to delete any calendar from Google Calendar. So it's a very easy process and I just go through it. It's nothing that you need to be worried about. As you can see, I've got my calendar open in front of me. I've just renamed it calendar to be deleted just to be a bit more specific. So what you have to do is you have to just hover over to these three dots, which you would see once you click on any of the calendars you want to delete. Now, for convenience, I'm just using the three dots in front of the calendar I actually want to be deleted, but you could do this with any other calendar as well. You just click on these three dots, and now from this menu, you select Settings and Sharing. Once you've done that, here select the calendar you want to be deleted. In my case, this is the one which I want to delete. So I will just scroll down in the settings and go to this option, which is named Remove Calendar. There you go. Okay, so here I've got a couple of options. One is unsubscribe and the other is delete. The unsubscribe option is especially useful if the calendar which you're about to unsubscribe from is owned by somebody else, by some guest who had invited you, or maybe by a friend of yours, a member of your organization. In that case, you could unsubscribe from the calendar and you won't be notified about any tasks in it, any events in it. But if you want to delete it, which means you want to permanently erase it, you just have to click on delete. And now just remember that once you delete a calendar, that action cannot be undone. So once you're doing this, you're just permanently deleting that calendar. So now you could just click on permanently delete, and there you go. The calendar has been deleted. Now I could easily go back, and here it's not visible in my calendars.